Everybody wants to learn the skill of video editing these days. You get asked to help your friend with video editing quite often, and here is the solution, the ultimate guide to editing in 10 mins. Yes, you heard me right. Here is your chance to subscribe to our channel for life-saving skills. Do not forget to like this video if it helps you save time on video editing. What is the shortcut to video editing? What do you think are the steps to the ultimate video editing in 10 minutes? Here we present to you the guidance to the most asked skill. A perfect beginner-friendly video on how to edit a video. Every video is divided into 4 tasks in the making. The first task is to have an idea and make a script. The second task is to identify and differentiate the primary and secondary content. The third task is to add a voiceover and visuals. The fourth and final task is to assemble and final edit the videos. The idea and scripting is the most important task. Every video should have a unique idea and an interesting script. Most people make short videos as it is viewed by a majority. People prefer to watch 4 one-minute videos than one 4-minute video. Apart from the time frame, the next important factor of a video is its structure. The 2 structure systems have been proven very effective. In this system, one single concept is made into 2 different videos, where part 1 talks about the facts, leaving a question in the mind of the audience. This curiosity leads them to watch the second part to know the answer. The second part has the reasoning of the facts mentioned and the answer to the question mentioned in part 1. Now, where do we get the content from? Here is the innovation that makes your work 100 times easier: ChatGPT. This AI bot helps you get content based on various topics such as politics, animals, technology, science, and whatnot. If you are looking forward to doing the video in any other language than English, Google Translate the provided script preferred in your language before proceeding to the next step. Identify and differentiate the primary and secondary contents. The next step in script making is to add engaging questions and modify the script. The main idea is to make our audience curious enough to seek the answers to the questions we framed. And we provide the answers for the same in the next video. To do that, divide your script into 3 parts where the first part talks about a random fact. With the second part, we make the audience curious, and the third part of the script is the reasoning of the fact with the answer to the questions. The third step is to add a voiceover and visuals. The easiest solution to visuals is Pexels. In Pexel, you get a search bar to send your subjects. This platform provides you with your script-related videos in both vertical and horizontal landscapes. The best part about these visuals is that they are copyright-free visuals. Canva is an alternative for the same purpose. Now, with adding voiceover, you have 2 options. You can either add your own recorded audio or be creative and add cartoon audio. Platforms like Artflow, Animator, and Platagon help you create cartoon characters and speaking animations. The last but the most important part of editing is assembling the created content. The most used and user-friendly platform for this is the CapCut. While aligning the videos, keep in mind to change the visual in a few seconds to keep the audience engaged. One of the final edits includes checking the copyrights. Add minimum edits, but keep the video different and unique. I would also like to give you a second and much easier option for all of these steps, and that is the Descript, and also a brief on how it works. Add your footage to Descript to get it converted into a script. It is amazing how, as you edit the scripts, the footage gets edited by default. With a simple slash, your video gets divided into scenes, making the work dreamily easy. Descript is an all-in-one platform where you get to create the script, create the visuals, give voiceovers, and assemble and edit the video. This is an efficient shortcut to all of this. With that bonus, we hope this video was informative. Already rushing to work on your new skill? Well, send this video right away to your friend who asked you to help them with video editing last week.